Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brein, Yaad, representing J People's Camp. Today, I'm sitting in for the one and only Furiosa Burdens. Big up on yourself, Leko boy. Well, today we are going to look at tenses in Jamaican Patois. Tenses in Jamaican Patois. And when I talk about tenses, I mean see, seeing, saw, has seen, will see. Those are tenses. Present tense, present continuous tense, past participle tense, future tense, past tense, past continuous tense, so many tenses. Well, let's go. They say English speakers will have to change a verb from one tense to another by adding other letters to that verb in order to change it from either present tense to present continuous, future tense, past participle tense, and or past tense. And not forgetting past continuous tense. Well, such as go, going, is going to, will go, has gone, was going to go, or went. Another example, walk, walking, is going to walk, shall or will walk, has walked, walked, or was going to walk. Patois speakers will not change the verbs from their original versions. For instance, verbs in present continuous tense, Jamaicans don't add ing to that verb. Instead, they strictly add an article or a letter a or article de before the verb to put that verb directly into present continuous tense. For example, me a move or me de move all mean I am moving. Remember that in Patois, article a or de replaces the Jamaican auxiliary verbs am, is, and are from the English verb to be. On the other hand, for the past participle tense, the words has or have are always replaced by a or done. For example, she come or she come done. This means she has come or she has already come. Article a or letter a or a is used to mean has or have in Jamaican, whereas done is used to mean already. Already. When you say done, it means already. Like something just happened already, or something has been done already. So, another example, me nyam done. Me nyam done, meaning I have eaten, or I have already eaten. Me nyam done, I have eaten, or I have already eaten. Still in Patois, article a is used to mean has or have, just like I've said before, among its many meanings. For instance, Lada mercy. Lada mercy means Lord have mercy. Where are for me? Where are for me? What do you have for me? Those are a few examples where you can use article a to mean have or has. Alright, For the Patois past tenses, always the present tense is not any different from the past tense. For example, me work will automatically qualify to mean I walked. Here, according to the flow of the story, the listener will very well know whether the speaker is talking in present tense or past tense. How? The flow of the story gives you which tense the speaker is using. Like somebody will say, tell you what me walk at the street now. Tell you what me walk at the street now. Definitely no. What yesterday I walked on the street, So definitely no, somebody is talking of past tense. Anyways, sometimes a Patois speaker may insert a short word like did before the verb to change it to past tense. For example, and this is the commonest. If you want to change a particular verb from present tense to past tense, the word did is very, very important. You put the word did before the verb, and that verb will automatically be in past tense. No question about that. How does it happen? We say, me did work. Me did work. Meaning, I walked. Unu did nyam. Unu did nyam. You ate. She did swim. She swam. Him did run. He ran. I man did see them. I man did see them done. I saw them already. That is standard Jamaican past tense. People, Patois only has the article D or de for the English article de. And Patois replaces the English articles a or an with the article one, or one may decide not to use it. You say, Jimmy orange or Jimmy one orange. Both mean give me an orange. Jimmy orange, we omit an. And Jimmy one orange, we use an, but one replaces an. Give me an orange. Jimmy one orange. Next example. Them this need one ball. Them this need one ball. They just need a ball. They just need a ball. Why do we use them this? This word this means quite a lot of things in Jamaican Patois. You may use this to mean this. You use this to mean to diss somebody. You speak bad of somebody. Or you may use this to mean disrespect. And you use this to mean just. But another word to mean just is jos. We remove the T from the word just and it will mean just. So it remains jos. So we could say, them just need one ball. Them just need one ball. They just need a ball. Or we can say, them this need one ball. They just need a ball. Because the word this can as well be used to mean just. And that is Jamaican. Well, people, sentences in past continuous tense are written using the word was plus the articles al or de. Note that the word was in Patois is replaced by the word de or did, whereas the word were is replaced by was or they. Example: me did attack. I was talking. And which tense is this? When someone says I was talking, the tense is definitely past continuous tense. Something happened yesterday. It was happening there and then. I was talking, but we are reporting today. The speaker is reporting today. I was talking when? Yesterday. 1 year back. 10 years back. I was talking. This is the opposite of present continuous tense. This is past continuous tense. When you say I am talking, that is present continuous tense. It's happening now. It's happening there and then, and it is continuing. That's why we call it present continuous tense. Now, if it's not present continuous tense, it is past continuous tense. So, me attack, that is present continuous tense. But past continuous tense, me did attack. Me did attack. I was talking. So, next example. She was seeing me. She was seeing me. That is English. In Jamaican, how do you say she was seeing me? She did a see me. She did a see me. She was seeing me. Example 3. Them was a move. Them was a move. They were moving. Why do we use was? Because in Jamaican, was means where. You may use was to mean where, or you may use they or did. But in this example, we prefer to say them was a move. They were moving. Next example, we did a pre-dem. We did a pre-dem, meaning we were watching them. So in this particular example, where, we use did to mean where. We did a pre-dem. We were watching them. Pre-watch. Next example. Un was a leaker. Un was a leaker. You were beating her. Remember, I told you in Jamaican we don't have that accent for H. Ha. Ha. And instead of her, we say a. Un was a leaker. You were beating her. We don't have the accent for H. Ha. That's why instead of hot, we say at. The water at. The water is hot. Huh? Alright. Instead of sweetheart, you don't say sweetheart. We say sweetheart. Or my heart. English is my heart. Jamaican we say me heart. Me heart. And then you will very well know how to juggle between the spellings for heart and heart to mean your heart. And then art to mean hot, and art to mean art, drawing with a pencil to draw something, art. And heart, H-U-T, art or heart, H-U-T, heart. But because that word heart has a U between H and T, instead of heart we say ought. Ought. because you, I told you, you in Jamaican, you is taken as though it is O. So whenever you see you somewhere in a word, you simply pronounce that letter U as if it's O. So words like hurt will be ought. And to hurt somebody, to cause pain to somebody, to hurt somebody, again we say ought. She ought me. She hurt me. She broke my heart. She broke me heart. She broke me heart. To break is to break in Jamaican. You don't say break. You simply say break. So, someone breaking your heart, you simply say, she broke me heart. Last example under our bullets. Ad best care fad ever make. Ad best care fad ever make. It's the best car Ford ever made. Ad best care fad ever make. It's the best car Ford ever made. So, in Jamaican, we may letter V. I told you letter V can as well remain V, or we can change V to B. And that's why we have words like eba and ever, meaning ever. Love and lobe all mean love. Vex and vex all mean to vex somebody. So that is Jamaican. At best care Ford ever make. It's the best car Ford ever made. Well, we go to the core. Tenses in Jamaican Patois. This is the core. Example. When you look at the first column on your left, we have present tense. When you look at the second column, present continuous tense, are or they. And when you look at the middle column, the very middle column, the third column, it is past participle tense, are or done. Then we have the fourth column, heading past tense, we use did. Then future tense, we use we or ago or they go or gwine or gwan. Or future tense, we use we or ago or they go or gwine. And then because of space, we didn't talk about the past continuous tense, but I already gave you an example. Past continuous tense, like you may say, I was laughing. I was laughing. That is past continuous tense. And I was laughing in Jamaican is me did a laugh. Me did a laugh. So now let's go straight. Or past continuous tense. Let me give you another example so you can get it better. I was just asking. That is past continuous tense. I was just asking. I was just asking. Me did just a axe. Me did just a axe. Me did just a axe. I was just asking. Me did just a axe. Alright. Now we go to our main example. When present tense, someone says me see. Me see, meaning I see. Present continuous tense, me a see, I'm seeing. Or me de see, I'm seeing. And past participle tense, me see done. Or me a see, I have seen. And then Past tense, where we use did, you may simply say me see, or me did see, I saw. And then future tense, me will see, I will see. Me I go see, I'm going to see, or me gwine see, I'm going to see. Gwine, see, I'm going to see. Next example. Him talk, present tense. Him talk, he talks. Him attack, he's talking. Him done talk. Me done talk, I have talked. Him did talk, or him talk, he talked. Him will talk, he will talk. Him a go talk, he's going to talk. Or him going talk, he's going to talk. Or him gwan talk. Gwan, gwan. Remember gwan? That accent is borrowed from the French, like I told you, where we have Lois being pronounced as Loi. Du Bois being pronounced as Dubois. And then going being pronounced as Guan. So you can as well say him Guan talk, he's going to talk. Him Guain talk, he's going to talk. Him a go talk. Him de go talk. Him will talk, he will talk. Or he shall talk. So next example. Me go, I go. Me a go, I'm going. Me de go, I'm going. Me gone, I have gone. Me go done, I have already gone. Or I have gone already. Past tense, me did go, I went. Me did go, I went. And future tense, me will go, I will go. Me a go, I'm going to go. Me a go, I am going to go. Or me gwine go, I'm going to go. Me gwine go, I'm going to go. Me a go, I'm going to go. Me de go, I am going to go. Me will go, I will go. Those are Jamaican standard tenses. Another example. Me lick shot, I shoot. Me a lick shot, I'm shooting. Me de lick shot, I am shooting. Me lick shot done, I have shot. Me a lick shot, I have shot. Me lick shot, I shot. Or me did lick shot, I shot. Now we got the future. Me will lick shot, I will shoot. Me a go lick shot, I'm going to shoot. Me de go lick shot, I'm going to shoot. Me gwine lick shot, I'm going to shoot. Me gwine lick shot, I'm going to shoot. Another example. Them kissed it, they jeer. Them kissed it, they jeer at. Them a kissed it, they are jeering. Them a kissed it, they have jeered. Past tense. Them kissed it, they jeered. Them did kissed it, they jeered. Future tense. Them we kissed it, they will jeer. Them a go kissed it, they are going to jeer. Them gwine kissed it, they are going to jeer. Them a gwine kissed it, they are going to jeer. Next example. She chant, she sings. To chant is to sing in Jamaican. She chant, she sings. She a chant, she's singing. She de chant, she's singing. Past participle. She chant done. She has sang. She a chant. She has sang. She did chant. She sang. Or she chant. She sang. Future tense. She will chant. She will sing. She dey go chant. She's going to sing. She a go chant. She's going to sing. She gwine chant. She's going to sing. Next example on this table, the last one. We come. We came. No. We come. Present tense. We come. We come. We dey come. We are coming. We are come. We are coming. Remember, another word in Jamaican that means come is forward. So, you may simply say, we come or we forward. We come. We dey forward or we dey come. We are coming. We are come or we are forward. We are coming. We come done or we forward done. We've come. We are forward. We've come. We did come. We did come. We came. Past tense. And then future is simple. We will come or we will forward. We shall come or we will come. We are go come. We are going to come. We dey go come. We are going to come. We going forward. We are going to come. Or we going come. We are going to come. That is future tense. Now, I've forgotten to give you examples and past continuous tense. And the past continuous tense for the word he will talk is, for the sentence he will talk, he was talking. Him did attack. I will go. I will go. How do you say, what is the past continuous tense of I will go? I will go. I was going. I was going. Me did a go. I was going. Me did a go. I was shooting. Me did a lick shot. Past continuous tense. Me did a lick shot. I was shooting. They were jeering. Past continuous tense. They were jeering. Them did a kissed it. Them did a kissed it. She was singing. She did a chant. We were coming. We were coming. We did a forward. We did a come. We did a come. We were coming. We did a forward. We were coming. Alright. Next. We see plot. Present tense. Go to the present tense column. We plot. The word plot. In English you may read it as splat, but it is see plot because we have you somewhere in that word. So you, because of the presence of you, the accent changes to we see plot. We splot. We live. And otherwise to mean live, left, or gwe. You may think it is GWE. Yes, it is GWEH. Gwe, meaning go away, leave. A combination of two words, go away. Gwe, leave. Or Mr. Viega says, take away yourself. Scatter, left, splot. All those are Jamaican vocabularies. So, the present tense is we splot, we live. We dey splot, we are living, or we are splot, we are living. We splot done, we have left, or we have already left. We are left, or we are splot, we left, we've left. And then past tense is we did splot, we left. And then future tense, we will splot, we will leave. We are going to splot, we are going to leave. We go and splot, we are going to leave. And then the past continuous tense for we splot is we did a splot. We did a splot. Past continuous tense, we did a splot. We were leaving. Next, dem wine. Dem wine. Remember that the word wine in Jamaican, it means to dance or dance. Wine is to dance, whereas in English it is an alcoholic drink. But surprisingly, that alcoholic drink is even drunk in churches for Holy Communion, blah blah. Alright, in Jamaican, instead of wine we say, instead of dance we say wine. So, them wine, they dance. Them a wine, they are dancing. Them the wine, they are dancing. Past participle, them wine done, they have danced. Or them a wine, they have danced. Past tense, them did wine. Or them wine, they danced. And then the future tense, them we wine, they will dance. Them a go wine, they are going to dance. Them wine, they are going to dance. Them wine, they are going to dance. Another example under present tense, him jive. Remember, I told you DR in Jamaican, if a word starts with DR, in most cases its pronunciation for DR will be J. So words like driver, when a Jamaican is talking of driver, they say jiver. When a Jamaican says dress, instead of dress, they say jess. Dresser, hairdresser, hairdresser. So something like that. So here we say him jive. He drives. Him a jive. He is driving. Him the jive. He's driving. Past participle tense, him jive done. He has driven. Him a jive. He has driven. Past tense, him did jive. He drove. And then future tense, him will jive. He will drive. Him a go jive. He's going to drive. Him gwine jive. He's going to drive. Or him gwine jive. He's going to drive. Now, people who love lips. If you love lips, yes, here we say she choops, she kisses, or she pecks. She choops, she kisses. Present continuous tense, she a choops, she's kissing. She the choops, she's kissing. Past participle tense, she a choops, she has kissed. She choops done, she has already kissed. Past tense, she did choops, she kissed. Or she choops, she kissed. Future tense, she will choops, she will kiss. She a go choops, she's going to kiss. She going choops, she's going to kiss. And the past Continuous tense. She did her chups. She was kissing. She did her chups. She was kissing. And lastly, we say we gwan. We gwan. We go on. Gwan. We go on. Let's go on. We gwan. We go on. And the present continuous tense for we go on. We are gwan. We are going on, people. We are going on. Don't stop. Don't lose hope. We are going on. We are gwan. We dey gwan. We are going on. Past participle. We gwan done. We gwan done. We have gone on. We are gwan. We have gone on. And the past tense. We did gwan. We went on. We did gwan. We went on. Future tense. We will gwan. We will go on, or we shall go on. Future tense. We are go gwan. We are go gwan. We are going to go on. Or we gwan gwan. We gwan gwan. We are going to go on. Interesting. However, for future tense in Jamaican, will or shall is replaced by we. And will not. Whereas going to is replaced by ago or they go or gwine. Must is replaced by fee or mos. And while has to or have to is replaced by afi or nafi is replaced by don't. When you say nafi, you mean don't. Have to. Nafi is don't have to, whereas had to is replaced by did afi, and didn't have to is replaced by did nafi. More so, would or would have is replaced by woulda, and could or could have is replaced by coulda. Should or should have is replaced by shoulda, and could not or should not and would not are replaced by kun or shun and wun. So, for instance, has to, have to, had to, did not have to, going to, will have to, will not, would have, would not have to, shall, should not, should have, should not have to, can, can't, could not, could have, could not have to. All, just for example, me will know, I will know. Me I go know, I'm going to know. Me fi know, I must know. Me I fi know, I have to know. Me both fi know, I'm about to know. Him will do it, he will do it. Him fi do it, he must do it. Or he should do it. Him a fi do it, he has to do it. Him a go do it, he's going to do it. Him did a do it. Him did a go do it. He was going to do it. Him would do it. He would do it, or he would have done it. Him could do it. He could do it, or he could have done it. Him couldn't do it. He couldn't do it. Him won't do it. He wouldn't do it. Unu can't do it. Unu can't do it. You can do it. Unu coulda do it. You could do it, or you could not have done it. We would ball. We would ball. We would cry, or we would have cried. Una go dead. You will die, or you are going to die. Una go dead. Unu dida go dead. You were going to die. Unu woulda dead. You would die, or you would have died. But boy, if you dead, sodomites should die. No. Alright.